Chanticleer and Skoda. Even though it's crushed granite, it's like sand. It's pretty mushy for 5 days rain in a row. They've got cabin fever big time. This guy's laying up there on the hill. And it's not really mud. It's like sand. Yep. Must be some interesting smells out at this time of the day. Or this time after the rain. They all got their noses to the ground. Earlier, Chanticleer and Mishka were racing side by side. Mishka was trying to take over Chanticleer in the run. They were running pretty close. It was like racing two cars, and you're one car length and a half car length behind you. You just can't overtake the other car. Chanticleer was out ahead, and they were both just stoking. They were both running as hard as they could.